Yo, Ma! What's up? Are you okay? I think I better talk to Brad again. I asked him to watch over you, but but he's not doing his job. I'm going to kick his ass. And I bought that man a cheese sandwich. That was true. He came, and all I can say is, I bought you a Philly steak sandwich. With all that drip and stuff all over the place. I took you for riding my wheels. Oh, God. I introduced you to my people. My posse. My guys. I took you, I showed you where that Rizzo lives. I'm a Rizzo crab.
Okay.